Hi everyone, welcome back to the series that takes you through the features of BitBlast. Let's explore the user management page, the central hub for overseeing and organizing users in BitBlast. Begin by getting an overview of the total number of users available. In the user management page, detailed information about each user is at admin's fingertips. This includes the username, email address of the user, its creation time and last login time of a user. Now, want to add a new member to your team? The Create New User button allows admin to seamlessly add a new user. Clicking on it opens a form where admin can input information such as first name, last name, username, email address, password, and confirm password. Agree to the terms and conditions. After successfully creating a new user, admin will receive a confirmation message. This message indicates that the new user has been added successfully and is now visible in the user table. The user creation page under the user management in BitBlast not only provides an overview of the total number of users but also offers detailed insights into each user. With the ability to create new users, admin has the flexibility to manage your team efficiently and keep user information up to date. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more informative BitBlast videos.